In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete credit card from Google Play Store. So go ahead and open your Play Store application and then click on your profile to open up your settings. In here, click on Payments and Subscriptions and select Payment Methods. Now, to remove or delete your credit card or any payment method that you have, just click on More Payment Settings. So in here, you will see all of your cards, credit cards, or wallet online that you use to pay your subscription. And every payment method, you will see here the remove icon. Just go ahead and tap that one. But before you remove or delete your current payment method, make sure that you add new payment method so that your current subscriptions will not be interrupted. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.